Hello guys, welcome to Pilot Technica. As you can see now we are in the Metaverse. We are using the technology from Meta and using the Oculus VR. I want to show you how we are going to introduce this technology in our training classes, so stay tuned. As you can see here, this is our classroom, our virtual classroom, and we can change the layout. It depends on the the number of the people in our class. And as you can see, there is our whiteboard. We can show you our presentations. Here, just in front of me, I have my PC and with my current presentation. Maybe you're asking, how can I get inside this virtual environment? First, you don't need the VR at all. As you can see, the current video is recording from a desktop. Cannot see on a mobile device like an iPad or an iPhone. We can only see the streaming using a desktop. And obviously, if you have a VR from Metaquest, you can be inside this virtual environment. I'm going to show you a little bit about all the features. As you can see now, I just moved in front of the whiteboard, and here we can just project anything that we want. And as you can see here, we have a cockpit and we can practice normal and abnormal procedures. From the VR user, you can see how is the environment and how is the virtual classroom. If you want to know more about this technology and our training classes, you can visit our website www.pilottechnica.com or visit our social networks. Bye-bye.